Bonjour, je m'appelle Lakshmi. Welcome back to my channel Learn French with Lakshmi. In today's video, let's see how to make questions in French. Let's start with what is this? What is this? The question word in French begins with Q, U, E. That means que. It's pronounced as que. Q, U, E. And we have already learned for E's we will put E-S-T. What is? But the problem here is E is a vowel. E is a vowel and here also E is here and here also E is here. So we can't write two vowels together. So in that case we just remove the first E and put an apostrophe here. And then we will write it together. Q-U apostrophe E-S-T, and for this you will write C. C is the demonstrative adjective, that is C, this or that. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? Then again you will write Q-U This is how we will write qu'est-ce que c'est. Next, who is this? Who is this? For this, you will write Q-U-I. Q-U-I E-S-T-C-E. This is how we ask who is this. The answer will be, let's see the answer for these questions. First is, again I am going to write what is this. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Q-U apostrophe E-S-T C-E Q-U-E C-E-S-T. How will it pronounce? Qu'est-ce que c'est? That means what is this? So you will write this is a pen. How will you write this is a pen? C'est un stylo. This is a pen. Say, that means here also two E will not come together. So I omit one E and put an apostrophe. This is a pen. This is an apple. C'est une pomme. You have already learned une is an indefinite article used before a feminine noun. This is an apple. C'est une pomme. C'est une pomme. C'est un stylo. This is a pen. C'est un stylo means this is a pen. C'est une pomme means this is an apple. Okay, and if you want to make it a plural, the question will be the same. Qu'est-ce que c'est? So, if you want to say these are apples, how will you write? Ce sont des pommes. Ce sont des pommes. You will put S here, but you will not pronounce the S. Ce sont. Sont is the conjugated form of the verb être that we have already conjugated. Être. Says these are apples. These are boys. Ce sont des garçons. These are boys. These are pens. Ce sont des stylos. Ce sont des stylos. These are pens. The question will be the same. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What will be the question? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Clear? Next, let's see. Qui est? Q-U-I-E-S-T-C-E. What it means? Who is this? Who is this? Say, this is Mona Lisa. This is Mona Lisa. Who is this? This is used for living things. Qui est? Who is this? This is Mona Lisa. This is Varun. This is Varun. Say Varun. We will not put an article before a proper noun. What are proper nouns? Specific nouns. Proper nouns are specific nouns. We will not add an article before a proper noun. Proper noun always begins with a capital letter. So how can we identify proper noun? Proper nouns begins with a capital letter, and we will not put an article before a proper noun. So what is this? Qui est? Say Mona Lisa. Say Varun. So these are the two question words in French. What is this and who is this? What is this means? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Just revise. What is this means? Qu'est-ce que c'est? How will you write qu'est-ce que c'est? Q-U-E-S-T. This E-S-T means is. Put a hyphen here. Then again Q-U-E-C-E-S-T. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? And qui est? Q-U-I-E-S-T-C-E. This is for all. What is this? And this is who is this? How will you answer for qu'est-ce que c'est? This is a pen. C'est un stylo. This is an apple. C'est une pomme. How will you answer for qui est? This qui est? Say Lakshmi. Say Mona Lisa. Say Varun. So these are the two main question forms in French. What is this and who is this? Hope this topic is clear. That's for today. Thank you.